Ladies and gentlemen, the wait is finally over. 5 long years in the making, and the Polestar 5 has officially landed. This isn't just a car, it's a lightning bolt on wheels. A 4-door electric GT that's gunning straight for the Porsche Taycan. Under those sculpted aluminum lines lies a monster, an enormous 112 kilowatt-hour battery, dual motors, 800-volt architecture, and enough sensors to make NASA jealous. The base model? A so-called entry-level beast with 737 horsepower, blasting from 0 to 60 in just 3.9 seconds. But if that's not insane enough for you, brace yourself. The Performance Launch Edition cranks out a jaw-dropping 871 horsepower, 749 pound-feet of torque, and catapults you from 0 to 60 in a blistering 3.2 seconds. That's supercar speed in a luxury GT body, nearly the size of a Mercedes S-Class. And charging? Plug this monster into a 350 kilowatt fast charger, and you'll rock it from 10 to 80% in just 22 minutes. Inside, Polestar turned up the heat with Recaro-developed seats, sustainable materials, a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen, and an optional 21-speaker Bowers Wilkins system that turns every drive into a concert. Add in pilot assist, 11 cameras, radar, and more sensors than you can count, and this car is watching everything, even you. Polestar calls it their guiding star, their flagship, and honestly, it just might be the EV rocket ship we've all been waiting for.